Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones JBL Wave 100 TWS to your Android device. You have to start by opening Settings, go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. Now click on Pair New Device and take the headphones out of the charging case. And wait for them to appear in the list. Here we go, JBL Wave 100 TWS. So click on it, pair, and here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!